Hey, and welcome to day number 10 of our meditation series. So, I know I was going to talk about judgment and philosophy as I mentioned last time, but I've actually changed my mind and decided I was going to offer a few more meditation resources. So, I've got three things I wanted to briefly talk about before we do our 10-minute meditation today. The first is that my mentor and the director of the Yoga Life Institute, where I've done all of my training, he wrote a book called Meditation for Your Life. And I recommend it for a number of reasons. One, he goes over the 6 different kinds of meditation practices that are most widely practiced. They are focusing on breath, visualization, mantra meditation, a devotional meditation, mindfulness meditation like Vipassana, and contemplative inquiry where you're just focusing on one question. And he goes through how to do those, but also offers a ton of excellent exercises to go with those. That they do all sorts of things, from like relaxation exercises, something like what we've done, some breathing exercises, journaling practices that you can do as well. So there's a lot of great inner exploration that can be done with that book. The second resource, now, I don't generally recommend some of the traditional yoga things that we see because I think they're a little too out there. I like things that are more grounded, more rigorously thought about and scientific. That's how my mind works. So I found, at the recommendation of one of the people I train with, this site called swamij.com. That's swamij.com. And yes, this is a kind of a swami that has put a lot of stuff together. They have a ashram, and I forget exactly where it is. But the content on their site is great, and it's really presented in a very simple, plain text manner. It's not flashy at all. There's a ton of context about meditation, about consciousness, and I think a lot of it's excellent thought-provoking material as well. So that's resource number 2 if you want to dig into that. And resource number 3, it may not be what you normally think of, but something like a Reddit subreddit for meditation. There is a meditation subreddit where people post questions, comments, talk to each other about meditation practice. So whether it's Reddit or another platform like that, there are things and places out there online where you can go and talk to other people about your meditation practice and ask questions that you have. Of course, you're welcome to ask me, leave comments, questions, direct message me on social media. Any of that you're welcome to do. So that's all I have. And I wanted to note that as these meditation practices get a little longer, I'm going to try and keep my monologues a little shorter so that these videos don't get really long. Because once we hit the 20-minute mark, you don't want me blabbing for 10 minutes beforehand and taking up a full half an hour of your day. So up until the 20-minute mark, I've decided that I'm going to be still offering some supplemental material. And then from there on, it'll just be pretty much a 20-minute meditation with a very short introduction. So let's get into our 10-minute meditation for day number 10. Set yourself up, sit up nice and tall, move if you need to. Some deep breaths here is always helpful for preparation. And we'll begin as usual with the sound of the bell. Firstly, fixing your focus on something, whether it's your breath or another sensation. starting with concentration from a place of relaxation. If you still find yourself getting carried away by thoughts, feelings, distractions, just note them and come back. See if you can bring a little more relaxation to your face and to the rest of your body, especially relaxation to the hands, to the feet. If you still find yourself distracted, focus on the breath and work to make that breath as serene and smooth as you can. So, congratulations. You've done 10 minutes of meditation. And I want to remind you, it's not important how well you think you're doing. If you find yourself distracted quite frequently, if you still feel like you don't know what the heck you're doing when you sit down to do a meditation, that's okay. Just keep going. Keep working through this. It takes quite a while to build up the habit and create the habitual response that you want the body to do when you sit for meditation. That's the whole reason why this is a progressive building up of time spent doing meditation practice. So definitely next time I'll be talking about more philosophy topics. I think for the next 5 sessions, these will be more about lifestyle and philosophy topics. And then we'll probably hit some more philosophy right after that, but in a different way. So stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying these and finding them useful. If you have any comments, questions, let me know. See ya.